ready? Yeah. Set. Go.
Tell me what happens.
So, at the beginning, we launch our machine.
Using the syringe.
It pushes water and pushes. It launches the plane, and as it flies, the plane pulls out the knife. The ball rolls down the machine.
The plane
Pulls out a knife here. The ball was over here, so the ball once the knife is over here.
I see.
And then the knife is over here and the ball is over here. So when the knife goes out, the ball drops down. When the ball drops down, this pulley activates, lifting this into an inclined plane, which the car and then the car goes down. After the car goes down, it turns the gear slip, which pushes another car. The car hits these batteries, causing the water bottle to pour through the funnel. Inside, there's paper here. There's filter paper down there and a sugar cube with erosional energy. And there's also food coloring in there, which causes it to turn a different color when it comes out. Then the ball rolls down, it hits this kick, which hits this lever. Another lever, then the car goes down here. This activates the music. It activates the music. And the ball releases over here. The ball hits the pendulum. The pendulum hits this wooden block down. Then the skateboard goes down and hits the ball. The ball travels through the maze, hits the spatula, which hits the salt shaker, which pulls a piece of wood off here, which lets the ball go through the screw.
That's crazy. It went through the
screw. Yeah, this ball,
slinky.
This ball, that
Can.
The can goes down, hits the ball, which hits this, and this pushes the car to point the balloon.
Nice. I like that.
Penny
And feeding the penguin his Penny pet penguin birthday fish.
Okay.
So where does it start?
It starts, the human activation starts with Violet over here. She's behind. Dropping this. And it's kind of split
Okay, she's dropping it from behind.
Yeah, there are two strings.
Okay.
Which hold it up.
I'll go over this half first.
Okay. Go ahead.
It goes like this.
Okay. All right, let's do this again.
All right,
Sorry.
so the first step is the human. The human over there is holding that string up. They drop it, which lands on these two things. So there's a bracket in place, which we're hanging tools on, but that one puts it at a slant. So basically it falls onto that rat trap, which is basically being used as a lever. The lever turns the power on, which that pump over there, it pumps in the red water, sprays into here, and then as it gets heavier and heavier, it pulls down. This goes up because this is down. So once it goes up, it pulls this box up. The box, when it goes up, it has to straighten out. So the rat falls out, this rat right here, and it's a wind-up rat. So when it goes, it starts scurrying away on the floor. And attached to this rat is a string, and on the other end of that string, as you can see here, right here, and then there's a nail in it. The nail is very loosely in this, so when it scurries away, it pulls the nail out, sends this flying. It hits this thing,
The lever.
this lever, which activates the mouse trap, and that mouse trap pulls this switch. So that's one half. It's an AND gate, basically.
Right.
One half of the equation, so one half is solved. To turn on the drill. And then here on the other side, there's a rat right here.
Right.
So when it falls, since this is at a slant, the rat will, because of gravity, will fall into here. And this is a set mouse trap, so it will activate this, then this one, then this one, then this one, chain reaction. And as you can see here, there's a rope attached to this one. And that rope, when it falls, will be pulled, letting this wheel spin down. It will hit that mousetrap all the way over here.
Mm-hmm.
And when that mousetrap is hit, then it lets go of this, meaning this camera right here. It moves down, swings really fast, hits this machete. Basically, with this machete, it's an electro machete. The power of lightning. There's a
Current.
one of those currents. These clips in, and that clip is connected to
The drill battery.
right here. This drill battery.
All right, this is our Qualia Rube Goldberg machine. We are in Uncle Jimmy's weird, wacky, and wild workshop. Uncle Jimmy has left to get some supplies, and Violet over here has been holding up that thing for I have no idea how long.
Okay.
Oh dear.
And I think she's getting pretty tired, and her friends are also here. So, and she promised to, like, hang out with them.
Oh dear.
Oh, you dropped something.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Crap.
Okay.
It's okay.
We didn't.
Oh, nice.
That's a bully. Oh.
That's it.
Oh, awesome. Awesome. Thank you.
Okay, sure.
Go ahead.
So
You don't have to touch it. Just point at it and tell me what it's supposed to do.
okay, so this is what we're supposed to drop the clip first. Then there's supposed to be a car.
Mm-hmm.
It runs into this golf ball. It goes and makes like a little roundabout way.
Mm-hmm.
Pours the salt into this tunnel right here. That's supposed to land here. And then tip this. So you see this? It's supposed
Yeah.
to get out of the way so the golf ball can run into this, hit this, and goes this way, falls that way, and then lifts the mouse up. And then that would hit the ball, that little ball over there.
And then it comes out here
And then it makes the you can cut bread, basically.
because it weighs it down on this side.
Yeah, basically, yeah.
Okay, and then it cuts the bread.
Yes.
I love your setup. It's
I love
so
it too.
fabulous.
It could be better, but I love it.
No, it is perfect. Could be no better.
I know you're just being.
And they're like, what's this?
This was supposed to be a part of it. It's supposed to be like a Newton's cradle, but it didn't work
Oh,
out.
Newton's cradle.
Yeah.
Oh,
It
nice.
didn't work out. I don't know.
I love that you guys did so much for it,
Yeah.
you know?
And that one was supposed to be part 2. It was supposed to be like a tunnel through Mad Hatter's head.
Oh,
You want me to show you? Oh, she's holding me. So yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
No brains.
No, right. Exactly.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Well, I'm glad it made it into the setup. You know, I love it.
We worked so hard.
So perfect, you guys.
If you're ready, you just need to start it. You don't have to do the preamble if you don't want to.
Okay.
On your mark, get set, go.
Nice, nice. Awesome. You guys had a great run. First team on the list. Introduce yourselves, team.
Our team is called Random Things You Found Under Your Bed. And our school is from Opa, Saddleback Valley Elementary School.
Nice.
So first we lift that puppy, which was the golf ball. Nice and loud. So first we lift the puppy, and then that triggers the ball to go down this ramp. It hits the car and the horse. They both go into this bucket. It lifts up this cup, which there's a ball under there. Goes down this ramp and goes down to this other ramp, and our golf ball will slide down the slope we made. Then it will go to this little spreadsheet thing, which leads to the ball. The ball will drop onto another ramp to the direction, but it opens to the again. This leads to the train. The ball rolls down the ramp and hits the train, and the train falls, activating a pulley system that triggers the tiny little plate, and then it moves to the side, letting the food fall out of the funnel for the little bird.
Nice. And to go.
All right, ready when you are. On your mark, get set, go.
Nice! The bird has been fed. Yay! Okay. Oh, wait.
Yes.
All right. Hi, guys. You're up. Introduce yourselves.
Hello everybody, my name is Dorado and my name is Ruby. We live in Lake Forest and we go to Oxford Preparatory Academy, Saddleback Valley. This is a machine and it must be made. Why is the time for So Stevie, what's the plan for today? The plan for today is to make a new commercial for our class. Ooh, commercial. That sounds fun. Let's go! Okay, hello everybody. We are at PetSmart and our specialty animals are pigs. Our specialty animals are pigs. What do I say? What do I say? Pigs love our spa. Why, you may ask? Well, the answer to that question is we have a special automated spa machine that feeds pigs. That one? Automated spa machine? Yes, you're right, Slippy. Well, when the pigs come into a spa, the first thing we start with is a nice, relaxing bath with special bath bombs and bath tubs. Then we give them a nice, nice warm massage with our lotions and cream. Then after that, we give them a manicure and a pedicure and a cute sticker. Then we put gorgeous lipstick on them. Lipsticks, really? Oh, that sure sounds like a real lipstick on a pig, dog. Oh, come on. We're really advertising about our business over here, and you're giggling? Stop giggling, help me out. Oh, yeah. Okay, sorry. So, after a full spa treatment, we also give them delicious food they can hog on before they leave. We are very sure that you'll be very happy when you reach home. So if you have a pet pig, what are you waiting for? An invitation? Bring your pigs here and pamper your pokers at a lovely spa. See you soon at a spa. You and your pig will have a oink-tastic experience.
All right.
On your mark, get set, go. Very nice.
And you're feeding the piggy bank. That's really funny.
Mario theme.
3,
2, 1.
Hello, I'm Alexander. My name is Vijay, and my name is Marcel. And we will be doing a Mario skit to go along with our Mario themed project. Our project is called the Super Mario Machine. Our skit will also represent the steps of our project. I'll be Mario. I'll be Luigi. I'm acting Princess Peach. And I'm acting Bowser, the main villain. Help! Bowser kidnapped me! I kidnapped Princess Peach. Nobody will stop me now. We won't stop you, Bowser. I love you, Mario. Mario? Luigi? It doesn't matter. You will never get her back. Travel to my castle if you dare. Come on, let's go. First, down the ramp. Watch out, there's a bullet bucket. Jump into the other bucket and the other ramp. I see a funnel ahead. Let's jump into it, shall we? Slide down the ramp.
Oh.
I see a lever up ahead. Let's punch it. And punch! Ah, water's falling again. Run! Run! Quick! Jump into the slide! There's some following us! Go, go, go! I see a train up ahead! Let's jump on! Chill, chill! Ah, we're gonna crash! Watch out! No! You found me! You'll never take Princess Peach away! We have a superstar! Punch!
Okay. Run 2.
Could we get a photo of you in front of your...
Are you ready? Are you ready? Get set. Go.